As you can see, I'm at the 52nd Dairy Industry Conference and Exhibition. The name of this should not be dairy industry. It should be rape industry. Because we rape these animals. In Hindi, rape is also known as बलात्कार. हम बलात्कार करते हैं इन जानवरों का, and India excels in doing this. India is the world's largest consumer of milk. So that is the truth of the dairy industry. And there are so many more truths that nobody likes to see or talk about. And I'm here to show you the truth and nothing else. Truth is not marketed. So let's market truth now. I'll tell you all the reality behind dairy industry. I'll show you the mothers whose milk that you drink. You think you have the right on their body, their milk? Shame on you. And we should all feel ashamed about this. We should not feel proud. People are coming here and smiling and taking photos over here. They're attending the conference. Why? Because they want to learn how to exploit animals, more and more animals, so that India excels in rape and exploitation of animals. This is not something India should excel in. India should be ashamed of doing this. India was once known as the land of ahimsa. That's all false. India is the land of hinsa, meaning murder, death, rape. And unless and until we don't change, our country and the people will not change. Rape will continue, murder will continue, because we do not leave anybody. And the dairy industry tells you exactly to do that. And they call it empowerment. They're calling it empowering rural India through dairy entrepreneurship. This should be exploiting rural people in the rural communities. Why? By exploiting, teaching them to exploit more and more animals, teaching them to rape more and more animals. Just yesterday, I saw news. I saw that in Maharashtra, 200 more artificial insemination centers are building. Why? So that India excels more in milk production. And what is artificial insemination? This is artificial insemination. What is the difference between this and rape? There's no difference. We do this for our pleasure, our taste pleasure, by consuming milk, ghee, paneer, chas and all dairy products like mithai. And rape is also done for pleasure. So think about who you are, your actions, and change, because this needs to stop. This should actually be illegal.